How to log in into Avant credit card account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can log in into Avant credit card account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your preferred browser, head towards the search bar and type in avant.com and press enter in your keyboard. Then you land on the official website. From here you have to click on this credit card, and now you'll be taken into avant.com/credit card, where you can log in into your credit card account. Now head towards the login button at the top right and click on it. Then you will land on the login portal. Here you have to enter your login credential. First of all, enter your email that is associated with your account. Under that, you have to enter your password. In case if you forgot your password, there is this link right here. You can click on it, follow the instructions, and that's going to help you recover your password. Once you're done typing in your login credential, all you have to do is click on login button right here. After that, you'll be logged into your Avant credit card account. So that's the way to log in into your Avant credit card account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.